Welcome back to Lesson 2. Whether you have a tiny balcony or a sprawling backyard, we're here to help you turn it into a thriving green space. Today, we're going to cover 3 essential steps to kickstart your gardening journey. First up, we'll assess the time you've got on your hands. Gardening is rewarding, but it needs your time and attention. We'll explore different garden types and help you figure out how much time you can dedicate to your new green hobby. Next, we'll do a garden inventory stocktake. You might be surprised at what you already have that can be repurposed for gardening. We'll guide you through identifying what you need and how to make the most of what you've got, so you don't break the bank. Lastly, we'll dive into choosing what to grow. From easy greens like lettuce and radishes to the more challenging veggies like eggplant and artichokes, we'll help you pick plants that suit your space, climate, and taste buds. Okay, let's get started. Please review the learning outcomes listed below.